So we're gonna tap lock on the OEM key fob 3 times. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. You'll get a couple parking light confirmation blinks once it starts. As you can see there, she'll fire up. Alright, so on the Titan, this is going to work on gas and diesel models. The BCM is located right underneath the dash here, right above the gas and brake pedal. I have the flashlight set up. So let me get down here and show you guys exactly what it looks like. So right above the gas pedal, you're going to notice the BCM. You're going to use 4 connectors here. There's a little black one here. There's a little gray one here. There's a black one here, and then a green one up at the top. So all 4 of those T-harness in, and then there's an OBD2 connector over here to the left, which we will also use. I'm gonna give you guys a quick overview of the wiring harness before we jump in the vehicle and install this. You're gonna see 4 BCM connectors here. You're gonna have a gray one, a black one, a green one, and a bigger black one. And then you're gonna have an OBD2 extension cable here. So this is gonna plug into our port. This will have an OBD2 label on it, so you simply plug these in. And then this plugs in T-harness to the OBD2 in the vehicle. Then we have our module connections and a fuse. So now we're gonna go ahead and install our wiring harness at the BCM. There's only 4 connectors that you need to plug in. I find it easiest to start at the top. So we're gonna go ahead and install the green connector first. Then we're gonna install the big black connector, and then we'll move down to the bottom where the small black and the small gray connectors are. So what we're gonna do is just start at the top, unplug. You're gonna stick our T-harness in line and plug it back in. So let's get to it. All right guys, we're on the last one, and just in case you couldn't see what I was doing, you basically unplug the factory connector from the BCM. You're gonna plug it into our harness like so. And then you plug the other end of our harness right back in line. Once you guys have the BCM connectors installed, go ahead and pop the OBD2 out of its mounting bracket. There is a tab on each side, so just push the tab in. The OBD2 will come right out the back side, and then you're simply going to install our connector right in line. So factory connector into our connector back into the mounting tab like so. So then you're going to take the long pigtail from the OBD2, and you're simply going to plug it in to the port on our harness that says OBD2 extension, and it's going to look just like that. So now we're ready to program the module. So quick demo on the Titan XD before we pull it up front for the customer. Basically this is the same operation for the gas and the diesel. So the diesel trucks will have a little bit more delay than the gas, obviously because of the glow plugs and whatnot. So on the OEM key fob, you're gonna hit lock, 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 give it a few seconds. Once it cranks, you'll see parking lights flash a couple times to give you an indication that it is remote started. And every 5 to 7 seconds, the parking lights will flash to indicate that the remote start is active. That does happen front and rear. You guys can turn remote start off by hitting lock, lock, lock. We can disable the flashing lights by snipping one wire on our harness. If you guys don't want the lights to flash every 5 seconds or so, not a big deal. Cut a wire, done deal. So, all right, so let's show you how to do takeover. So we're gonna go ahead and remote start it one more time. You're gonna hit the unlock button on the key fob, and it's going to start a 45-second timer for you guys to get in and do secure takeover. So if you exceed the 45 seconds, your truck will turn off when you try to get in and drive away. So now that we're in here, you'll see our tax on. As long as you have the key with you, you can simply hit the brake pedal. You'll see the start button light up, radio and everything kicks on, and then you can put it in drive and drive away.